In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view file details and metadata in Google Drive. If you've ever needed to confirm who owns a file, when it was last updated, or how big it is, Google Drive makes that information easy to find. Let's walk through it step by step, and I'll point out what to look for so the details are clear and useful. First, log into your Google Drive account. Open your browser and sign in with the account that has access to the file you're checking. If you use multiple accounts, make sure you're in the correct one, since each account has its own drive with its own files. Next, go to the folder that contains your file. You can browse through My Drive, shared drives, or any folders you've created. If you keep a lot of items in Drive, take a moment to verify you're in the right location so you're looking at the exact file you need. Now find the file and right-click on it. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. Be careful not to double-click, which opens the file. You want the context menu to appear. This menu is where Drive groups many useful actions. From that menu, go to File Information. This option is typically near the middle or lower part of the list. It's designed specifically to surface the facts about the file without opening or editing it. Then click on Details. This will open the Details view, which slides in as a panel on the right side of your screen. Give it a second to load and you'll see a clear summary of the file's metadata. This is where you can read the file type, its size, the folder location, the owner, and the dates it was created, last opened, and last modified. You'll also see who last modified it, which is especially helpful when you collaborate and need to confirm changes. For items stored in shared areas, these fields help you understand context at a glance. If the file name or location looks off, you're likely looking at a different copy than you intended. Go back to the folder, pick the correct file, and repeat the same right-click and file information path to bring up the Details panel again. The process is the same for documents, spreadsheets, slides, PDFs, and most other file types you keep in Drive. That's it. By logging in, navigating to your folder, right-clicking the file, opening file information, and clicking Details, you can quickly view the file's key metadata on the right side panel and make informed decisions without opening the file itself.